Hey Evnar, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening this video. My name is Lucas and I was talking with Dan about this little video that I made for you guys of three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily in order to start beating your competition online. In this case, Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath are the guys that when you look for San Diego kitchen remodel are taking the first spots on Google. So they're getting all the business, but by fixing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about, you'll be able to get there in no time, beat them, and get in all that business that they're getting. You may wonder why I even make this video for you. The answer is simple. I like to help business owners because I know they don't have time. They're all the time taking care of their business and helping their customers. And they don't have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free educational videos for business owners so they can have all this information. That way, they can either take it, like some of them do, and put it in action themselves. Some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I do this for passion. But if you like what you see in the video and you want me to do it for you, give me a call or send me an email and I'll gladly help you. That said, let's jump into it. I'm going to tell you about the three things that the Google search engine uses in order to rank a website to the very top. Those are content, backlinks, and citations. As you can probably tell, content means all the content that is on your front page, all the text, all the pictures, where is behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved as. And I see that you have a lot of it already. You have 750 words, which is really good. Google usually likes to see about 2,000 now on the first page of the websites that they rank at the very top. 2,000 words of keyword rich content. Okay, as you see, Lars Remodel, one of your main competitors, they have about 1,500 words, as you can see here. Okay, and then Miramar Kitchen and Bath as well, a lot of content, a lot of pictures. All right, so you wanna have about 2,000 words of unique keyword rich content. What does it mean? You want to make a research on what are the terms that the people are looking up the most regarding the services that you provide, like let's say San Diego Kitchen Remodel, remodeling companies in San Diego, etc., stuff like that. The ones that people are looking at the most, and drop them several times on those 2,000 words of content. Second thing, backlinks. Backlink is basically when another website puts a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. That works kind of like a popularity contest. Google likes to see a bunch of relevant websites that vouch for you. That means that they put back links on their website that links you back over here. So basically, you can get a backlink for any website, okay? You can get a backlink for a website that talks about fashion or about food, but you always want to get those links for websites that are on your same niche. So you always want another remodeling companies, another construction companies giving you those backlinks because those are the ones that are going to give you the real power and strength and trust from Google in order to be over here solid. Okay, so with that content and those backlinks, you'll be ranking here in no time. How you check the backlinks? We use a tool called Ahrefs. When I put your website here, I see that you have 92 referring domains. This means there is 92 websites out there that somewhere in the website there's a link when you click it, it takes you back over here. So now you check your competition and you see that Lars Remodel has 74, I mean, Miramar Kitchen and Bath 38. How come with those little backlinks they're ranking higher? Well, because of their content and also because I said not all backlinks are created equal. So the referring domains are really, really strong. That's why they're so high. How can you fix that? You just copy them. If these are good for them, they're good for you as well. You go through every single one of these ones, and through every single one of these ones, you make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, you match them, and then once you're done, you build some on top of that. That way, you're beating them. You're beating them on backlinks, now you're beating them on content. So you're securing this spot for sure. Last but not least, citations. Citations is what gets you here on the backpack. And the good thing is that you can do it completely for free. All you need to do is have more citations than your competition. What is a citation? A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. Alright? Directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, White Pages, Angie's List, all those are valid, and there is thousands more out there. Alright? So all you need to do is use any tool that allows you to check citation, see how many citations your main competitor has, and I would copy them, because if they're good for them, same with the backlinks, they're good for you. And then in this situation, I would add at least 100 more. Okay, so let's say they have 150, I would probably go for 300. That way you make really hard for them to ever catch up back to you when they realize that you stole the first spot. You start putting more citations, and that way you keep the gap, and it's really hard for them to ever catch up. That said, let's make a little recap. 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your front page, healthy strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying the strong backlinks of your competition, and then adding some more, but you already have a good amount, so that should be fine. And then citations, build at least 100 more citations than Lars Remodel. That way you'll be securing this top spot, and you'll be getting all the business from the accounts with having the first two spots in Google, and your phone will go crazy. If you're interested in this, please implement it as soon as possible, since everything takes a little bit of time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. And that said, if you like the video and you like what I just told you and you want me to help you get in there, give me a call or send me an email. And if not, just take all this information and do it yourself. But the only thing, if you can give me a little bit of feedback, I do these videos for free, and that will really help me. The feedbacks make my day. Thank you.